This evening in Primetime News, RJR Glena Dunn Anderson poll shows Jamaicans favor independent political ombudsman.
More reactions to Wisinka NEPA pollution case.
And businessman who was abducted Tuesday freed after paying ransom. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International, that's in the Cayman Islands, or if you're watching online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Giovanni Dennis.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Thanks, Andrea. Well, there are renewed calls for Jamaica to strengthen trade with Africa, and it's Wednesday, so I'll have the latest gas prices, those stories and more later on in the business day.
And to give us a preview of what's to come in sports, here's Jermaine Brown.
Thank you, Giovanni. Well, a fairly good showing by the West Indies on the opening day of the first test against Australia. And as for the Reggae boys, well, they went crashing from the CONCACAF Gold Cup. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
Thank you, Jermaine. And Romaine Robinson is also here to give us a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Andrea. Now, most of the tropical waves that we have been watching are now west of Jamaica, and there is a slight drying trend that is expected over the next couple of days before the next tropical wave, which is expected to be entering the area on Sunday.
Now, there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, here's our feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, oh my gosh, what are your thoughts on the Reggae Boys' 4-1 loss against Panama?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or you can post on X, TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.